yeah. Ooh, you just make me feel feeling like bulletproof. This bitch gon' make me shoot. She wanted rendezvous. Black roses die for you. Bitch, all I wanna do, right through the night with you.
Through the nights I'm flipping, through the nights I'm texting, through the nights that I'm with you. Oh girl, I got a confession. If you say that you love me, then prove it that you love me. Nothing else above me. Oh girl, you are so lovely.
Ooh, you just make me feel feeling like bulletproof. This bitch gon' make me shoot. She wanted rendezvous. Black roses die for you. Bitch, all I wanna do, right through the night with you. Make me feel feeling like bulletproof. This bitch gon' make me shoot. She wanted rendezvous. Black roses die for you. Bitch, all I wanna do, right through the night with you.
Tell me what you want from me, cause truth be told I couldn't see. But I sure love your company, the way you rub it up on me. Hands all on your thighs, girl. Got you hypnotized, girl. Got you through the night, girl. Look me in my eyes, girl. Through the nights I'm flipping, through the nights I'm texting, through the nights that I'm with you. Oh girl, I got a confession. If you say that you love me, then prove it that you love me. Nothing else above me. Oh girl, you are so lovely.
Ooh, you just make me feel feeling like bulletproof. This bitch gon' make me shoot. She wanted rendezvous. Black roses die for you. Bitch, all I wanna do, right through the night with you.
Yeah. definitely 180 out. So it was kind of like, you know, this feels real close.
Yeah.
I'm going to advance it just a little bit. Okay, we'll see if it gets better or worse. That seems worse, right?
That's worse.
Let's go that way. Careful.
Yo, what the heck?
It's so close.
We're so close.
We're so...
See, it just seems like a timing thing. Let's go
Yeah.
way to that
No,
side.
it's a chain. Comes up, it's a chain.
Okay.
That's way worse.
So weird. It's like it's real close.
I feel like once it starts, it'll stay started.
How's that bulb feel? Is it hard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know why it's okay.
That's too advanced.
We're getting there.
I think we're probably off
It's too rich.
a tooth.
I know. But
So, but
no,
we're
it should still start,
close.
right? Like, unless it still
Yeah.
start up.
You ready?
Let's go! God damn!